All right, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, July 9th, day 147. Set up tents just in a stealth tent site last night. Got a good night's sleep, and it was a big day yesterday, 16.9, 11 and a half hours in 83-degree heat. That was a little bit much. So we'll try and do like a 10-hour day today. We have Mahoosic Notch and Mahoosic Arm coming up, so that they will certainly be slow miles. But it looks like another beautiful day. Let's get this day started. See you down the trail. And this is what my morning looks like today. Popping out of the woods to the first viewpoint. It's supposed to be another nice day. Maybe thunderstorms later in the afternoon. But I don't know, it's pretty good. See you down the trail. And this is why I have to go down first thing this morning. Alright, this is going to take a moment. See you down the trail. And here's another one of those high bogs up in the mountains. Oh, these little pockets that hold water. Oh, what a beautiful day. Alright, see you on the trail. Alright, and that's where I'm heading this morning. There's Goose Eye Peak and Goose Eye West. So let's start climbing. See you down the trail. There is a big toad. Just hopping along on his rock. Alright, see you down the trail. A little closer shot of him. Hey, Mr. Toad. Good morning. Have a great day. Goose Eye Peak is still up there. But look at back here. All those mountains I've gone through. Wow. Ooh. Looks like another pretty day. Maybe thunderstorms this afternoon. We'll see. But let's keep trekking. See you down the trail. Alright, we got some rebar climb up. Hope it helps. Let's get up there. And now we got a ladder climb up. Whew, okay, let's keep going. Okay, that's Goose Eye Peak, which I just came from. West Goose Eye Peak. And I'm going down there. There's a trail. Alright, let's get out of this wind. And of course, the downs are the hardest part to navigate. Let's get down. This is unique, right? There's a series of these boards and stairs going down, and it continues down this trail. Alright, let's keep trekking. Okay, I came down from West Peak. Boom, went down there. Coming down here. And then just walking across this kind of open tundra. I don't know what this is, but so far so good this morning. Alright, see you guys down the trail. Alright, now we have some more rebar going down. Whew. Alright, I got 0.1 to a shelter, get some water. See you guys down the trail. Alright, more rebar heading down to the notch. I'll be there soon. Cool. See you down the trail. Alright, here we are at the beginning of the Mahoosic Notch. It is, I don't know what time it is. I'll log it here in a minute, but I'll let you know how long it takes me to get through here. This is like the adult jungle gym of rocks and boulders. There's no defined path. You just gotta fight your way through this mile. So, let's see if I can enjoy it. See you down the trail. Here's the beginning. So I just dropped down, I don't know, 20 feet into the notch. Temperature dropped 20 degrees easily. That's so refreshing. Alright, let's do this. See you down the trail. And here's an example of the boulder scrambling. That's the trail. Alright, see you down the trail. There's ice and snow down here still. I mean, I can't explain the temperature difference. It's noticeable, measurable. But I'm making my way through. Come over those boulders. Got to get up through there. Alright, see you down the trail. I had to take my pack off and crawl through there. Whew, alright. Let's keep going. Alright, this is another underground rock I gotta pass my pack through. Let's get through here. Oh, alright, more arrows pointing the way that I should go. Let's get through here. Looks like one more rock cave to go through. At least one more. I stopped and got water in there. It was ice cold. Wow, is it good. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Let's get through here. See you down the trail. Oh, a nice little stream coming down this rock slab. Going up the Mahoosic Arm. Not quite deep enough to lay down in. Alright, see you down the trail. Alright, I made it up to the top of the Mahoosic Arm. It's a little bit after 3. I started the notch at 11:30. I think that took me like an hour and a half. 11:30, 12:31. So 2 hours to climb the arm. Ooh, that was a brutal climb. It's like the idea of a trail, not a real trail. You just kind of have to find your way up here. And it's straight up. I don't know, 1700 feet, something like that. But I think that's Mount Washington. Pretty sure it is. Back in the White Mountains. Trees over there, but it's supposed to be thunderstorms later today. I don't have a current weather report, so I'm not sure. All right, I'll into the shelter. I think I'm gonna call it a day today. So see you guys down the trail. This is Speck Pond. Apparently frogs are active. Males looking for females. Oh, I've got like 0.2 into the shelter. It's supposed to be thunderstorms tonight. Looks like, you know, clouds are building. I'll be happy to be at a shelter. Made arrangements to stay at motels the following 3 nights. Well, the Bethel Motel tomorrow night and then the cabin in Andover next 2 nights. So hopefully all works out. I need rides. So see how it works. See everybody down the trail. Okay, I'm here at Speck Pond Shelter. Did 9.6 miles today. Took like 9 hours. The Mahoosic Notch, that was fun but it was slow, and the Mahoosic Arm, oh, that was a lot. So this is the end of day 147, and tomorrow I'm going to stay at a motel in Bethel. So see you guys down the trail.